Good morning students, welcome to new class. Today I am going to start exercise 2.3. So students, in the previous class we studied about exercise 2.2. Now we are going to study about exercise 2.3. So let us start question number 1. So you see students, here the equations is given. First you have to find out the value which is given in the question, and after that you have to check that the value which is given is both equals, means left hand side equals to right hand side. If it is equal, then it is correct. If it's not equal, then it is wrong. The statement which is given is wrong. Okay students, so let us see. Okay, so go to the question number 1. Solve the following equations and check your results. That is 3x equals to 2x plus 18. See what you have to do. This is very easy. Yes or no? What you have to do? 3x, see, we have to take x one side, so this here it is plus 2x, so we'll get, if we are shifting this 3x 2x to left hand side, it will become minus, that is 2x equals to 18. Yes or no? So 3x minus 2x is equals to x. Now we have to do, we had got the value of x equals to 18. Now what you have to do, just see that left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side is what is given, that is 3x, so 3x means 3 into 18, so what will get the answer, that is 54. Yes, it is right. Now right hand side, is what is given, that is 2x plus 18 is given. Yes or no? So we have to put the values here, 18 plus 18, so what, 18 to the 36 plus this 18, what will get the answer? We'll get the answer, that is same 54. So we can say that left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay students, so this statement is correct. Okay, in the same way you do the question number 2 also. Here question number 2 is 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. First what you have to do, you have to take t one side and this number one side, that is 5t and 3t. So 5t minus 3t equals to 5 minus 5 plus 3. We'll get the answer, that is 5 minus 3, 2t is 2t equals to minus 5 plus 3 is what, minus, bigger sign is minus 5, so it will become minus 2. So t equals to minus 2 upon 2 will be cut it, that answer will become minus 1. Yes or no? Now what we have to do, you have to put the values. Okay, you have to put the values left hand side 5t minus t, like that. Left hand side is given, that is 5t minus 3. what you have to do, t का वैल्यू लगाना है, that is 5t, t का वैल्यू है minus 1 minus 3. Yes or no? Yes. So what will get the answer, this 5 into 1 is 5 minus 5. Okay, this will become, and here it will get 3 into 1, so what will get the answer, here it is given, so minus 5 minus 3 is there. Okay, here also will get the same, so it will become minus, and minus plus minus is plus, that is minus 8. Will got the answer minus 8. Okay, left hand side again in the same way you have to do the right hand side, so both answers are equal, so we can say that left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay students, see question number 2 and question number 3 is similar. Here it is given in negative form, means it is given in subtraction, here it is given plus. The same way you can do it. Okay, now see question number 4. Question number 4, we have to find out the first z value. So what you have to do, we have to just see first 4xz, 4z plus 3 equals to what, we have to first shift the numbers one side and z one side, that is 4z, and this 2z in one side, that is 4z minus 2z equals to this 6 minus, here plus 3 is there, so it will become 6 minus 3. What will get the 4z minus 2z is 2z. 2z equals to 6 minus 3 is 3, so we will get the answer 2z equals to 3. Now we have z value is what, that is 2 ये side shift हो जाएगा right hand side, so it will become 3 upon 2. We got the answer z upon 2. Now what we have to do, we have to just put the values which is given. Okay, we got the values of z, this one. Now we have to put the values here. After putting the values, we will get the answer same, left hand side is equals to right hand side, that is 9. Yes or no? Yes. Yes student. Now see. Okay, Got the answer now? Sorry student. Question number 5 is also same as we had done here also. It is in positive and negative form. See, this lesson is very easy in this exercise. What we have to do, we have to just find the values. See here also, just see question number 6. We can do question number 6. 8x plus 4 equals to 3 into x plus. First what you have to do, we have to x minus 1 plus 7 is given. So first what you have to do, you have to multiply this 3 into x plus 1. So let us see how we are going to do. See, this 8x will remain same and this 4x will remain same, equals to what we have to write down, 3 into x, 3 into x is 3x, 3 into 1 is, we'll put the sign minus, then 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, then plus 7. Yes or no? What we have to do, 3x minus 3 plus 7 is what will get the answer here if you are going to do cell? Yeah, we'll get the 4. Yes, then 3x minus 3 plus 7 is 4. So you'll get the 3x minus 4. And just see here how it is done. 3x minus 3 plus 7, that is 3x minus 4. Yes or no? So what will get the answer after that? That if here this one and 3x is here, so x we have to take together, x को x के साथ लेना है, तो we'll get the answer x equals to 0. So put the values x equals to 0. So after that, by putting the numbers, you'll get the answer x equals to, that is left hand side and right hand side, both the sides 4. So it is the correct statement. Okay, so question number 7. See, question number 7 is also very easy. What you have to do, first you have to shift the numbers 5 to left hand side, that is 5x equals to, now we have to multiply this 4 by x plus 10. So after multiplying, you'll get the answer 5x equals to 4x plus 4 into 10, that is 40. So take one side x and one side number. So 5x, if you are taking 4x to left hand side, it will become minus, that is 5x minus 4x equals to 40. So what will be the value of x? X will getting the value 40. Now we have got the value of x. Now what we have to do, we have to put these values in the question which is given. Here we have to put the values. Okay, after putting the value, you will also get the same answers, that is 40 40. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. This statement is also correct. Okay student, question number 8 is easy. Question number 9 is also easy. See, question number 8 and 9 both are similar. One I can do. Okay, so first one 8 I will do and 9th one is your homework. Now see, 2x upon 3 plus 1 7x. First what you have to do, we have to take x one side and number one side. So 2x, this 2x is given, 2x and 7x we have to take together, that is 2x 7x. If we shift it left hand side, it will become minus. So 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 equals to this 3 and plus 1 is shifted to right hand side, it will become minus, that is 3 minus 1. Now 3 minus 1 is 2, therefore 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 is equals to 2. Got the answer. Now we have to take the LCM of 3 and 15. After taking the LCM of 3 15, we will get the LCM is 15 will get. Now what we have to do, here we have to multiply it by 5, here we have to multiply by 1, here it will become same. Now we have to multiply by 10, that is 2 5s are 10, that is 10x is given. Okay, 10x हो गया, 10x minus here it is same. Now here we take copy 15 equals to 2. Yes or no? This is the answer. This is the correct form. Got the answer. Now what we have to do, we have to shift this 15 to right hand side. See here, one step is not written here, that is 10x minus 7x equals to 2. This is upon 15 is given. Now shift this number to this side, that is 10x minus, sorry, first 10x and minus 7x is what, that is 3x is there. 1 second, got the 3x. Okay, now shifting this number 15 into 2, 15 into 2 will get the answer 3x equals to 15 2s are 30. Now x equals to, shifting this number this side, that is 30 upon 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are. So we get the answer x equals to 10. Yes or no? Got the answer. So after this answer we have to put the values of x in the question. After putting the values you will get the answer. Then left 23 upon 3 equals to 23 upon 3. So we can say that it is correct statement. Okay students, question number 9 and question number 8 is similar. You can do it by your own. Question number 10 is also easy. Question number 10, 3m equals to 5m minus 8 upon 5. What you have to do? You have to take one side. Okay, very well. So 3m minus 5m equals to, shifting this 8 up minus 8 upon 5 is remain same. Yes, now what we have to do? 3 minus 5, so it will become minus 2. So the minus 2m equals to minus 8 upon 5. So m equals to, what you have to do? You have to shift this minus 2 in right hand side. So what will become? Minus 8 upon 5 into minus 2. So you will get the answer. This minus minus will cut. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 2, 4s are 8. That is m equals to 4 upon 5. So we will got the answer m equals to 4 upon 5. This one. Now we have to put this m value here. After putting this value, we just find this numbers what is given. Yes, so we will get the answer. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. So this statement is correct. Okay students, got the answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay students, do this in your notebook. Okay, thank you.